The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. Here, Melinde Madsen talks about some interesting things she's found in walls during renovations.
You get to find a lot of funny stuff too, like just all the most random things people just stick in their walls. And they're like,
like what?
I found a Hoover pin. That was my big find. It was a President Hoover pin, which was like in this huge mansion. And I was like, this is pretty cool. Super old. People leave notes behind. The house I'm working at now was built in like 1867 or something like that. But the people, you can tell it was like remodeled pretty recently, but someone like wrote their name and they were like 2 years sober. And I was just like, that's really cool. Like you get to like see these little notes from the past and like people's accomplishments. That was really fun. A guy I know found like samurai swords, like really random stuff. So there's a lot of just like random like newspapers. You find tons of newspapers. And they'll have the year and these like funny little creepy ads on them, which I really enjoy seeing just because I think it's fun to poke through that stuff. But we always like pack them up and present them to the homeowners and they're just like so excited. But yeah.